Journey by train. Train is moving smoothly, dancing a beat on the rail. Coconut palms are watching, waving their hands as travelers go by. Streams look mirrory on rocks. Trees look handsome and gay, that beautify the nature of Goa. Every heart cry a bit when living from her arms, the arms of loved and cared ones. Oh, the Dudhsagar one meet on the way, a significant place in heart of Goa, a symbol of fresh milk jumping from the high mountains, condensing the whole atmosphere there. The drops of water falling down from the tunnels, like the teardrops running down on the cheeks of Goa, bidding her child a tearful farewell and pleading to come back in its bosom soon. The pass through the tunnel was a short darkness, accompanied by terrible noise, reminding one that is light soon to follow. In company of nature one sense, a true being of supreme, his artistic hands and mighty vision.